Hello and welcome back to this channel, and today we're going to be looking at the best second phone number apps for iPhone in 2025. You see, after 2025, here are 5 verified and highly rated second phone number apps for iPhone that are popular for their reliability, features, and user experience. Number 1, we have Hushed. Now, for its features, it offers temporary and permanent second phone numbers for calls and texts. It supports international numbers and works over Wi-Fi or data. Now, why is it great? Because of its user-friendly interface, affordable plans, and strong privacy features. Next on our list, which is number 2, we have Google Voice. Now, what are the features of Google Voice? 1, free second phone number for calls, texts, and voicemails. And 2, it integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace. Why is it great? Quite simple, because it is completely free for users. That is, US users. It is also reliable and works across multiple devices. So the third on our list we have is Burner. Now, Burner features it provides disposable phone numbers for calls, texts, and voicemails, and it is ideal for short-term use or privacy. Why is it great? Because it focuses on privacy. It allows multiple numbers and integrates with apps like Slack and Dropbox. Next on our list, which is on number 4, is Line 2. Now, Line 2 features is 1. It's a second phone number, with unlimited calling, texting, and voicemail. It supports business features like call forwarding and auto attendant. Why is it great? Professional grade features, excellent call quality, and flexible pricing makes it great. Then the last on our list is Text Now. Now, what are the features of Text Now? It has free second phone number for calls and text over Wi-Fi. Offers affordable plans for cellular service. Why is it great? Because it offers free ad-supported option, low-cost premium plans, and easy setup. You can see that these apps are widely trusted and cater to different needs, whether for personal privacy, business, or temporary use. Always check the App Store for the latest updates and user reviews to ensure compatibility with your iPhone model and iOS version.